Welcome, dear viewers, to the heart of Rome, where spirituality and human artistry converge. This is a place where history breathes through every stone and every corner tells a story. Vatican City, an independent city-state, beckons travelers with its unparalleled collection of religious and cultural treasures. From the awe-inspiring architecture to the profound sense of peace, it is a destination like no other. Join us as we uncover the top 10 must-visit destinations within this sacred space. Each site we visit will reveal a unique aspect of the Vatican's rich heritage and spiritual significance. From the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture and a symbol of the Catholic faith, to the ancient texts within the Vatican Library, where centuries of knowledge and wisdom are preserved, each location offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of history and faith. The art, the architecture, and the atmosphere all combine to create an experience that is both educational and deeply moving. Get ready to explore the heart of the Catholic Church, its iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and fascinating stories. Whether you are a pilgrim or a tourist, Vatican City promises an unforgettable journey through time and spirituality. Dominating the Vatican skyline is St. Peter's Basilica, a testament to Renaissance genius and architectural mastery. Its colossal dome, designed by Michelangelo, seems to touch the heavens, symbolizing the connection between the divine and the earthly. Inside, you'll be greeted by a breathtaking spectacle of marble columns, intricate floors, stunning mosaics, and gilded bronze details that reflect the light in a mesmerizing dance. Discover Michelangelo's poignant Pietà, a masterpiece that captures the sorrow and grace of Mary as she cradles the lifeless body of Christ. For an unforgettable experience, climb to the top of the dome. The ascent is challenging but rewarding, offering panoramic views of Rome. The city unfolds before you, a sight that will remain etched in your memory, especially at sunset when the skyline is bathed in a golden glow. Enter the Vatican Museums, housing one of the world's most extensive art collections. Wander through galleries filled with paintings, sculptures, and artifacts from across the centuries. Don't miss the Gallery of Maps and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel, which we'll explore next. The Sistine Chapel's beauty and spiritual power are indescribable. Michelangelo's frescoes on the ceiling depict scenes from the Book of Genesis, the creation of Adam to the Last Judgment. Each scene is imbued with drama and emotion. Appreciate the intricate details and vibrant colors that bring these biblical stories to life. Emerging from the Basilica, you'll find yourself in St. Peter's Square, designed by Bernini. This magnificent square symbolizes the open arms of the church. The centerpiece is the towering Egyptian obelisk, flanked by ornate fountains. Attend a papal audience on Wednesdays or Sundays to see the Pope in person. Whether admiring the architecture or soaking up the atmosphere, St. Peter's Square is essential. It's a vibrant and welcoming space for all visitors. Escape the crowds in the Vatican Gardens, a hidden gem behind the Vatican walls. These meticulously manicured gardens offer a welcome respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Stroll along winding paths, discover hidden grottos, fountains, and sculptures. The gardens are home to a variety of birdlife, adding to the peaceful ambiance. Consider a guided tour to delve deeper into the history and significance of this serene oasis. Visit the Apostolic Palace, the official residence of the Pope. Explore the opulent papal apartments, adorned with frescoes by Renaissance masters. Don't miss the Borgia Apartments, offering a glimpse into the lavish lifestyles of the Renaissance. Each room tells a story of papal history, power, and artistic patronage. A visit to the Apostolic Palace offers a fascinating insight into the history of the papacy. Step into the Vatican Library, one of the oldest and most important libraries in the world. This magnificent repository of knowledge has been a beacon for scholars and historians for centuries. Founded in the 15th century, it houses a priceless collection of manuscripts, books, and documents. Each piece tells a story, preserving the wisdom and culture of bygone eras. Marvel at beautifully illuminated manuscripts, offering a window into past civilizations. These manuscripts are not just texts, they are works of art, meticulously crafted by skilled hands. Visitors can admire highlights in the library's museum, including ancient maps and musical scores. These artifacts provide a glimpse into the geographical and cultural understanding of our ancestors. A visit to the Vatican Library is a humbling experience, reminding us of the enduring power of knowledge. it is a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of learning and enlightenment, a journey that continues to this day. Descend beneath St. Peter's Basilica to the Vatican necropolis, an ancient Roman cemetery. Explore tombs and mausoleums dating back to the 1st century AD. These tombs offer valuable insights into the lives and beliefs of early Christians. The highlight is the tomb of St. Peter, believed to be beneath the main altar. A visit to the Vatican necropolis offers a tangible connection to the roots of Christianity. Art lovers, prepare to be mesmerized by the Pinacoteca Vaticana, the Vatican's picture gallery. This exceptional collection showcases masterpieces of Western art from the 13th to the 19th centuries. Feast your eyes on works by Renaissance masters, including Raphael and Leonardo da Vinci. The Pinacoteca also houses an impressive collection of Byzantine art. Whether you're an art aficionado or simply appreciate beauty, the Pinacoteca Vaticana is a must-visit. Our journey culminates with a visit to the Vatican Observatory, a testament to the Church's interest in astronomy. Located in Castel Gandolfo, it houses historic telescopes and astronomical instruments. Learn about the Vatican's contributions to astronomy, from the Gregorian calendar to the search for extraterrestrial life. A visit to the Vatican Observatory reminds us that science and faith can coexist in the pursuit of knowledge. As our exploration of Vatican City draws to a close, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for its remarkable treasures and history. From awe-inspiring art and architecture to serene gardens and ancient tombs, Vatican City offers an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel guides and tips. Until next time, happy travels!